A status yellow warning has been issued for 8 counties as temperatures are forecast to hit up to 30 degrees in some parts of the country today. Met Éireann said temperatures above 27 degrees Celsius, along with nighttime temperatures above 15 degrees, are likely for Clare, Kerry, Limerick, Tipperary, Galway, Kilkenny, Laois and Offaly. Well, let's go to our South East correspondent Mark O'Driscoll, who's in Graignamanagh for us this lunchtime. And of course, County Kilkenny, one of those counties under that yellow heat warning. Mark, what's the latest there?
That's correct, Eileen, and plenty of factor 50 so far here in Kilkenny today. Now, Met Éireann issuing that warning this morning, but yesterday afternoon we had the record temperature for the month of May, 28.6 degrees Celsius on the mercury, recorded at Shannon Airport in County Clare. That was a 29-year record, but with temperatures set to rise further today and increase even higher, it's likely that we could see another record set for the month of May later today. As you can imagine, the good weather has brought everyone to the country's coastlines, to beaches, to waterways and indeed to rivers like the River Barrow that you can see behind me here. Now, my colleague Pat McGrath has been speaking to some of those who have been soaking up the rays along the west coast.
Perfect weather, you know, it's so rare for this country. So it's a good day.
I got the day off today just to enjoy the weather. I came all the way from Ennis. I'm about to meet my friend now, just to enjoy the day here.
Hopefully it lasts for a while now, you know. But no, in this country, you don't know, it could change. But look, we make the best of it anyway, you know.
It's a little bit too warm for me, but I like the sun. I like being on the beach here and just seeing everyone relax, eating ice cream.
Yeah, it's so beautiful to see the Atlantic Ocean. Really nice.
Now, Met Éireann saying, along with that warning today, just for people to be careful when enjoying the good weather along the coastline or in water, and also to be aware of the risks that come with such temperatures, the likes of heat stress, particularly into those nighttime temperatures this evening. So it's likely to be around 4, 5 or 6 o'clock this evening when we may know whether or not another record temperature for the month of May has been set.
All right, Mark O'Driscoll in County Kilkenny, thank you. Well, Western Europe is also seeing intense temperatures, with the French government confirming today that 7 deaths have been linked to a record-breaking unseasonal heat wave. France logged its hottest day on record for the month of May yesterday, while the UK also posted unprecedented highs.
Edinburgh is probably not the first place you'd think of when it comes to wildfires, but that's exactly what authorities in the Scottish capital are contending with today at Arthur's Seat, the highest vantage point in the city. Sardinia has also been racked by wildfires, with firefighting aircraft called in to try and stop the spread of the flames. As well as nature, it's the humans who are feeling the effect of the extreme heat, unusual for coming early this year. In Frankfurt, those who could took to the water to try and keep cool, while in Paris, tourists and locals alike looked for shade and water features in a bid to beat the heat.
It's about same temperature as Japan for now, but I didn't expect that this is very warm in Paris, so I'm very surprised.
In Madrid, the city opened its municipal pools, which are almost an essential service in a country where temperatures of 40 degrees are not uncommon. While here in England, a new May record high was set in southwest London yesterday of 34.8 degrees. A long holiday weekend in the sun was enjoyed by those with access to pools, but endured by most others.
Listening to the radio yesterday, they said that this looks like it's going to be one of the hottest Mays on record.
Air conditioning is not widespread in Northern Europe, so when the heat is this high, unconventional means are called for.
And Sean is standing by for us now in London. So unprecedented temperatures in the UK today there, Sean, as we saw in your report.
That's right, Eileen. Yesterday they had an all-time May record of 34.8 degrees Celsius, just short of 35 degrees, which is extraordinary for this time of year. They think today it might even nudge a little bit higher than that. And that's making things, of course, really uncomfortable for people trying to work, get to work and just live in their houses and shelter from the sun. I mean, people like it when it's sunny, but not when it's that hot. We saw another May, well, not quite a record in France, but it hit 32 degrees in Paris. Again, very unseasonable heat for this time of year. Down in Spain, they're warning of temperatures hitting 38 degrees towards the end of the week. And in Italy, they've imposed restrictions on working outdoors because it's just so hot. And as you said in your introduction there, we've had these 7 deaths in France, 5 of them from drownings, but 2 of them at sports events where people just seem to have succumbed to heat exhaustion. So people are being advised to be very cautious in the way they treat both the water, where people will naturally go and try and clear up, cool down, but also just playing field sports and perhaps overcooking it. Hydration, of course, a major issue. For the longer term, though, politicians now getting more and more concerned about trying to build in some kind of cooling systems into the housing stock and offices right across Europe, because particularly in Northern Europe, air conditioning isn't a feature of buildings as we know, but in future we're going to need it, and that future is coming sooner than we think.
All right, Sean Whelan in London, thank you.